making dinner. I'm gonna make a ribeye steak from Sam's Club here. Then I'm gonna roast some potatoes and some other vegetable. I'm going to season it with this one, the Montreal steak seasoning. I'm preheating the skillet and this is ready. There, give it a little flip so the seasoning will stick. This is done for a pan frying. I'm going to put it in the oven for probably 12 to 15 minutes. Here, a Brussels sprout. I'm going to boil this for at least 5 minutes. Then I also have a potato. I'm going to roast this in the oven with a Brussels sprout. The steak is done and I'm just gonna pull it out from the oven. Hello guys, today is Saturday and next week is Thanksgiving. So right now we are preparing to put our stuff. Tomorrow is our trip, so it's supposed to be like a 16-hour trip. So we're gonna drive from Yuma to Texas. We're gonna visit my friend and we're gonna spend Thanksgiving week with them. There you go. So this is the stuff that we're gonna bring tomorrow. Everything is, there you go, that's the rice and our luggage. Right now I'm making laing for us to eat there, for her and I. And I'm cooking it right now so I could put it in the freezer and it tastes better when it sits for a couple days before you actually eat it. Flavor is better. So the laing leaves, the taro leaves, I soaked it in water earlier. And then we have here coconut milk. Here you go guys, that's the laing. So we have like 10 bags. There you go guys, we have here a cheese and bacon sandwich, and then we have 2 burritos, tuna and tomato sandwich.